Hi, welcome to the video tutorial about inserting a YouTube video into your Blackboard class. I do this on a weekly basis, multiple times each week, and I've had a number of people ask me about it, how to do it, and it's real easy, so I'm going to walk you through the process. First of all, you can place a video either into the announcement area, you can put it in an individual seminar folder, or you can put it into the discussion board. I usually put it into the discussion board, so I'm going to show you actually how to do that. So the first thing that we need to do is let's go to YouTube. And I just started with the topic customer service. So you can search for any topic that you want. A good idea is if you find somebody, you'll see in my subscriptions, I have this guy, Alan Merceau, Anson Alexander. There's some individual people that I found do certain training pieces. They have some information, they have some videos on things I'm going to use again. So I just subscribe to their information, and then that way I can go in and I can look at all of their stuff. But let's say I decide customer service is something that's one of the topics this week, and I would like to share that. So I just, I have some here, and I have this one, differences of customer service, a short video showing the differences of good and bad customer service. Now, first of all, it's always a good idea from your perspective is that you actually open it up, play this whole thing, and make sure that it's appropriate for what it is that you want to do for your course. In this particular case, this looks like there's going to be an example here of a good customer service situation and a bad one. Let's assume I've looked at this, I've reviewed it, and it's what I want it to be. So this is the one that I want. So you're in YouTube, all you have to do is click on the video itself, and it's going to start. Once it starts, I just pause it. I don't actually have to see it or hear it. It doesn't have to work all its way through. You just need to kind of get it started so that you're sure you got the same video. Then you're going to scroll down a little bit, and underneath they have a couple of choices of some things that you can do, kind of like a toolbar. What you're looking for is this second one here that says share. You're going to click on share. And if you just wanted to grab the link, like if you're going to put something in PowerPoint or what have you, you can use this right here. This is the URL link for this particular video, and you can do that. You can put that into an email and send it to somebody. You can even put this into your course. And although it'll work, it's effective, it'll pull up the video. The method that I'm going to show you I just think looks a little bit more professional, and it kind of looks a little bit more polished. So after we click on share, rather than using this here, we're actually going to go up to here where it says embed, and when you put your mouse over it, you'll see that it is linked, underline, and it'll turn bold. And if you click on that, it's basically the same thing. What this is the HTML code for this particular video, and that's what you want. The fact that it's already highlighted in blue for you makes it really easy. I'm on a Mac, but if you're on a Windows machine, basically you want to copy it, so you can right click and do a copy, go up into edit and hit copy, whatever you want to do. So now that you have this, I'm going to open up my go back to my Blackboard course, so I will minimize this. And like I said, I'm going to put it in discussion board, but you could really put it anywhere you want to. And so we're going to go into the Seminar 1 discussion board here in my practice class. Create a new thread, and you can give it a title. And it'll make some sense, hopefully, if whatever class we have going on right now this week, one of our topics is going to be customer service, and students will know why this is in there. And then I just click in the box. Normally this is where I would type, and you have all kinds of ability to add things. As you know, you can add files and pictures and all kinds of different things. What I want to bring your attention to is this second line in your toolbar. It starts with the spell check and cut, copy, paste, and all this. You keep scrolling across. If you're not sure what any of these symbols mean, all you have to do is hold your mouse over it, and in a couple of seconds what it does will actually pop up for you. You're going to keep going past these math formula ones here, and you're going to go to this one that's a kind of a double caret arrow. So it's like a left and a right, and if you hold your mouse over it, it'll go to toggle HTML source mode, and that's what that code was when we were in YouTube. So all you're going to do is click on that. You're going to get this kind of some actual HTML code in here. It tells you you're in the HTML source mode. You don't have to do anything else at this point. You can go back up into edit and do a paste, or if you're on your Windows machine, you can do the right click and paste. And then what you want to do before you leave is you want to go back to this little emblem. See, you might be able to tell that it's depressed right now, kind of like a button that's been pushed in. So you want to click it again. And lo and behold, there's your video. Now I think that looks a heck of a lot more professional than the URL. So at this point all you have to do is submit it. And now it's there. It is posted as an additional thread. Students coming into this place will click on it. And there it is. And then you fire it up just by clicking on this button. Once you click on this button, you're going to have the usual toolbar areas down here. You can pause it, you can adjust volume, you can see how long it's going to be. I'm on mute right now, so you're not hearing it. There you go. So you're going to get some of the sound. So that's it. That's all there is to it. So now you know how to insert a video from YouTube, something that's already there. Those of you that are already ahead to the technology point where you're creating some of your own videos, whether they're lecture material or maybe some screen capture stuff, what have you. I actually have my own YouTube channel. I load all of my stuff that I create to my YouTube channel, and then I can go get it just like I did there. I just get it from my video manager, which is all of the items that I've uploaded to YouTube, and I actually get it the same way. I grad that embed code. So hopefully this was helpful for you, and you'll be starting to integrate the insertion of videos into your Blackboard course. Thanks.